wheels, wild, weird, and wonderful whips. Today we are bringing you this beautiful Cuda for sale. A real 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda EF5. Rallye red. 4-speed supertrack car with 410 Dana. Black interior. 39,000 original miles. Rallye wheels and tires. 15x7 front, 15x10 rear. NOS rim blow steering wheel and NOS Cuda center cap. Rallye dash original, done over original dash pad and door panels. NOS pistol grip shifter. Super stock springs and shocks. Rear window louvers. NOS shaker setup. Alpine AM FM CD player in-dash. Correct jack and spare. Rotisserie restoration by professional shop, Mopar. Correct 70 Hemi carbs, hoses, belts, radiator, shroud, clutch fan, power brake booster and master cylinder. Electronic ignition with built-in rev limiter. Correct ignition wires. Correct Mopar battery for shows. Custom driveshaft with loop. Blow-proof bell housing. Not numbers matching. This car has been decoded by Galen Govier and is in the Hemi Cuda Registry over 20 years. Original fender tag. Little over 5,000 miles since resto. Motor. Built by Larry Shepard. Block is one of the first Mopar reproduced with the highest nickel content ever produced. It is a 472 with hydraulic cam and 10.5:1, so it will run on pump gas with timing at 32 full. It has over 600 horsepower and over 600 pounds of torque. Carbs were redone by Larry and tuned for motor. It has about 5,000 miles on it. It is balanced and blueprinted. Has a special intake done by Wilson International. The original correct intake goes with the car. Transmission is a Hemi 4-speed 18 spline done by Joe Liberty. Shift levers O-ringed and have been updated to harder steel. The rear end is a 410 Dana, done over with Mopar gears, bearings, and seals. This car has won many best of shows. In the words of Derek Beery from Vice Grip Garage, let's take a minute to just drink in this beautiful car. Moses sandals. The lightning hoses, the charging whirler, the fuel make it happeners, every part of it is pristine. It even has the correct lightning cube. I don't see a to-go handle on that lightning cube, but that's fine. Absolutely no weight reductions anywhere. No ankle vents, I'll be dipped. This would be an amazing addition to any collection. The drivers and drinkers sides are perfect. Approved. This car is for sale and the asking price is $200,000. If you are interested in this car, you can find the link to its listing in the description of this video. This insane Cuda has been brought to you by Wheels completely free of charge. If you happen to buy this car, please tell them Wheels from YouTube sent you. Please like, comment, and subscribe.